Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got another Tamiya kit re-release. This is the 1990 Mercedes Benz C11. Not sure what the model number is on this one. 47484. So, big shout out to Dave and the crew at RD Models, and they've helped me get this one. So, let's bring in for a close-up look and see what we get with a C11. So, quite a nice box art on this one. But let's just have a quick look. Little Mercedes logo. Doesn't really show you any output parts or anything. But let's have a look what we get. So we get a bag with a body in it. And for some reason it's bigger than I thought it'd be. Not sure why. We get a wing, not sure which way round you need to put that at. But we get a wing and a body. We do get the window masks, which is nice. And we get the stickers. So we get some plastic bits and body mounts. We get the light buckets. Got the ladder parts for the top of the chassis. Tiny little chassis. And probably the suspension arms and that. There's not a whole lot to this kit, which is one of the reasons why I would drawn to it. Should handle really, really good. So if you do race the Tamiya classes, definitely be one that's worth asking if you can take it with you and race it in one of the groups. So we do get the foam tyres. These feel weird. Apparently we get a bit of cardboard. We get one shock absorber. So at least it looks like it is an oil-filled damped shock. We get the wheels. We get our servo saver. We get the diff. And we get some tiny little plastic shims. Not sure what they're for. Take it that is just to keep it off keep the foams off everything else. So we also get this box with the antenna straw. We have our drive shaft. We have a small pinion. Just a few more metal bits. We got a little bag of body clips. We got the few FRP parts for the chassis. We have a few screws. We have a sports tune motor, and then we get a shock oil, we get a bunch of bushings, so I'm not seeing any bearings in this, and a spring. So it should be quite a quick and easy build, this one. Possibly one, as long as you've got some kind of carpet track to run it on, would definitely be a nice, cheap, easy kit to get into. And it's probably going to be quite a quick build. You do get the full instructions with it. So you will have to provide a speed controller and a servo. I would advise buying the bearing kit for it. I don't think you'd have to upgrade the shock. You should be absolutely fine running that. So not an incredibly long instruction manual, but a really nice basic RC. That's the first quick look at what we get in box. We'll definitely be building this one at some point, because it's not one of the classics what I've got or the vintage ones, it's just a re-release. And I'm looking really forward to driving this and seeing how it performs compared to the likes of the TA08 Pro, the TT02, the TT02 Carbon that I've built. But let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, the Mercedes Benz 1990 C11. Quite an interesting little kit, should handle really, really good, and I'm really looking forward to building this. Again, thanks a lot to Dave and the guys at RD Models in Chesterfield. They helped me get this one, and they also do a lot of the speed controllers, loads of other models, full spec race cars and everything else. Link will be in description as always. But Thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one. So, if you're wondering why I've got all these kits and not started building any on them yet, it's because I'm doing loads of 12-hour shifts to pay for all these kits. So hopefully I'll get a bit of time off in December and should be able to start working my way through building these. But catch you guys again in the next one.